I realized that constant entertainment and overstimulation is the major problem that you have today about your identity. Most times, you have a belief, you have a core value that you are working about. But then something on social media changes your beliefs. Someone says something about how they feel, how they perceive things, and your belief changes. The movies you watch changes your beliefs and identity. The music you listen to changes your belief and identity. The music you listen to changes your beliefs and identity. Even the video games that you play has a way, you might not see it, but if you think deeply, all these forms of entertainment and stimulation has a way of changing your beliefs and rewiring your identity. It's just a form of psyop or manipulation. The people producing these forms of entertainment, the videos, the games, the content, and so on, they have a way of making it so enticing and entertaining, and they push their values onto you and manipulate your way of thinking, where your own values and your core beliefs becomes questioned. You begin to question your identity. You begin to question your own beliefs. That, what I thought life is actually different. And to make matters worse, you have loads of different things that you watch. You have loads and loads of different things that you constantly entertain yourself with. So your brain is fragmented. Your identity is fragmented. You don't even know what to believe. Today, someone comes online and tells you the new way of making money is digital marketing. Tomorrow, someone comes to tell you it's content creation. Next tomorrow, someone tells you it's affiliate marketing. Again, and that tells you it's video editing. Another person tells you it's AI. The more content you watch, the more scrolling you have every day, the more values they bring to your table, the more beliefs, the more things they bring to your mind, the more manipulation you get. You watch one, they tell you it's content, and that one tells you video editing, and that one tells you, oh no, it's not even tech. You have to build your career. Oh, it's not even about career, it's about craft. Okay, it's not even about craft, it's about selling things in the real world, and then your identity changes. Maybe you're actually trying to work on your career firstly. You watch one video online that tells you it's content creation. You leave your building of career, you leave your skill building, go into content. Maybe later on someone tells, oh, content is saturated. YouTube is saturated, TikTok is saturated with content creators. Maybe you should start doing affiliate marketing. Then you leave that content creation that you're doing, you go into affiliate marketing. Someone comes on again and tells you, oh, it's digital marketing. Then you leave what you're doing. That means you keep changing ideas every now and then from the entertainment content that you watch. But really, what were you looking for when you go on social media? Maybe you just want to unwind. You just want to clear your head by watching skits. Or someone brings something different to you on social media, and then your identity, your beliefs, and your core values changes. Maybe you just feel, okay, you are living your life in a certain way. These are your core values, these are your beliefs. And then you watch a movie. You watch a certain movie that implants certain beliefs into you. This is the way the entertainment world fragments your identity.